closing, first delay, then a closing. And many people are wondering how this happens. And I think I'd like you just to get rid of some of the mystery and that's around this process.
Yeah, that's a great question. So as our weather starts to turn, we have a group of us that wake up every morning at 4 o'clock, providing that there's no information given to us from our local news stations that weather is approaching. When we get up, we take a look at the conditions. If the conditions present an opportunity where we need to get out immediately, 3 of us, myself, our head of maintenance, and one of our bus mechanics cover our entire area, which is about 9 square miles, which we're fortunate here in the city to have a relatively small geographic area to cover. We assess the roads, we assess the sidewalks, while simultaneously I'm on the phone with other district superintendents, including all of our county superintendents from Delaware, and the Highland and Morrow area as well, in Union County. And we also communicate with our local police, our law enforcement agencies, as well as the sheriff, to try to get as much information as we can as possible. For instance, we found out last Monday that there was 14 accidents in the county before school. And our sheriff suggested that to all the county schools that they close, which is information. The other piece is taking things into consideration like wind chill. Anytime the wind chill gets to -17 below zero, skin can be damaged with 30 minutes of exposure. Fortunately, none of our students walk 30 minutes, but we have to look at sidewalks and make sure that they're passable for our students, and really just try to make a decision that's definitely fits into our vision of creating a safe, respectful, caring environment to make sure that student safety is primary. As soon as we get that information, we have a variety of ways which we communicate it out. I usually send it out through Twitter right away when I make a decision, and that's really good for my Twitter followers. Yeah. Last week I gained about 100 followers and got about 3,500 mentions with that. So that's one way we communicate it out. We also do a District 1 call. We place that information on the news media as well as local radio to make sure that we're providing that information to all of our stakeholders.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.